night. Your shadow breaks beneath the light. Each flicker taps out something new, a code I never learned from you. Silent shapes across the street, Mridangam heartbeat under my feet. The rhythm you left behind repeats in broken pulses, skipping beats. Streetlight flickers, Morse code apology, telling truths you never said to me. Every blink spells out what stayed unsaid. Letters glowing gold, then dead. Through the hum I read the night. You're sorry written in fading light. Wind moves slow through copper wires, shaking loose our old desires. The conjurer taps like hesitant rain, speaking softly through the pain. These rhythms know what we became. Your heartbeat spelled without a name. Patterns slip between the dark. Your echo glowing, sharp by spark. Streetlight flickers, Morse code apology, telling truths you never said to me. Every blink spells out what stayed unsaid. Letters glowing gold, then dead. Through the hum I read the night. You're sorry written in fading light. If silence had a language, this is how it would confess.